Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. We had some dance songs here lately, and we will continue with that with this one, La Luxury, featuring Kiddo, These Nights. So this one's great, 4 chords only in the same order through the entire song. I'm gonna show you 3 different ways, strumming patterns, you can say, or ways of handling these chords, alright? So first, capo on 3rd, and the chords will be E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Next chord, G. So 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Next chord, B minor. So a bar now on the 2nd fret from the A string and down. This is the A. So 5 strings from bottom up, and the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. And the final chord will be A. So open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. So E minor, G, B minor, and A through the entire song. Now let's look at how to handle the chords now. So in the verses, you're just gonna play 1 down per chord, and it will be in this tempo, approximately this tempo. So that's 1 round. Like this, all right? And then it builds up with the pre-chorus. So you will add and play down clap 2 times per chord. So that would mean it's 1 round. So down clap 2 times per chord, and what I do here, I do the claps on just the E string, okay? I want the sound and the strings to ring out, and that's why I don't want to kill the sound with a clap on all strings. So I just keep them ringing down there, and I hit the E string, that's enough, and that will be it when it comes to this. That will be played in the pre-chorus. And the third and final way of handling this is, of course, with the choruses. There you have built up all the tension here for the chorus, and you're gonna play 1 long strumming pattern per chord. Okay, so we'll take that with an E minor. It will be down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down. Okay, down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down. That's the long strumming. Again. Down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down. Down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down, down, clap, down, up, clap, down. That was 2 rounds. You're gonna play 1 round per chord. So in a context with the chord progression, it will be like this, a little bit slower. And with some standard tempo, it will be something like this. So that E minor will end this tutorial of La Luxury, These Nights. So I hope you enjoyed this one, and I hope to see you here back on Gordon Guitar very soon. So till then, play tuned.